Tabletop charcoal grills are a popular choice for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who value the authentic smoky flavor that only charcoal can provide. There are many products available to choose tabletop charcoal grills, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best tabletop charcoal grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found this products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Royal Gourmet CD 1519 Portable Charcoal Grill. The Royal Gourmet Charcoal Grill is an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Its compact design features 2 handles, making it easy to transport to your favorite camping or picnic spot. You'll appreciate the front charcoal access door, which allows you to add fuel without losing heat, enhancing your cooking efficiency. Cleanup is a breeze with the removable ash tray located underneath. Enjoy better control over your grilling with the 2 air dampers that manage airflow, ensuring your charcoal burns effectively for a perfect cook every time. Number 2. Oklahoma Joe's Rambler Tabletop Charcoal Grill. The Oklahoma Joe's Rambler Portable Charcoal Grill is made of heavy-duty steel construction to ensure durability. Its thick cast-iron grates produce a perfect sear, while the height-adjustable charcoal tray allows grilling with high heat or cooking low and slow. The large air dampers allow for accurate airflow control, and the full-size removable ash pan makes cleanup easy. Number 3. Portable Charcoal Barbecue Grills. Introducing the Feasto Portable Charcoal Grill, the perfect tabletop grill for all your outdoor grilling needs. With its compact frame and convenient handles, grilling on the go has never been easier. This grill features a large cooking area of 354 square inches, including a grilling area of 265.5 square inches and a warm area of 88 square inches, allowing you to cook up to 16 burgers at once. The heavy-duty construction made from heavy-gauge powder-coated steel ensures maximum durability and heat retention. The adjustable temperature control allows you to easily adjust the heat while grilling, and the added temperature display helps you achieve the perfect cooking temperature. The sturdy handles wrapped with silicone provide a safe and sturdy grip, and the stable structure supported by 4 thickened metal table legs ensures stability during barbecue. Cleaning is a breeze with a separable carbon tank and easy-to-clean cast iron grates. Assembly is quick and easy with the grill's quick assembly structure. Upgrade your grilling experience with the Feasto Portable Charcoal Grill. Number 4. Joyfare Portable Charcoal Grill Set. Joyfare Portable Charcoal Grill is a heavy-duty and innovative tabletop barbecue grill set that comes with a range of accessories. With this grill, you will get all the practical tools you need for preparation, grilling, and serving. The lockable tongs provide a strong grip to grab food firmly, while the basting brush allows for easy sauce spreading without melting or discoloring. The cleaning stone helps remove stubborn stains after grilling. The grill itself features upgraded powder spraying technology, reducing the risk of rusting and cracking, and can withstand high grilling temperatures. It also has a built-in lid thermometer for easy temperature control and precision heat control. The cooking area is suitable for 2 to 4 people, and the stainless steel grilling rack is easy to clean. The triangular structure ensures stability on different grounds, and the wooden handle is anti-scald for easy opening and moving. Overall, the Joyfare Portable Charcoal Grill is a durable and convenient choice for outdoor camping, backyard parties, and barbecue grilling. Number 5. Portable Charcoal Grill with Warming Rack. The BBQ Cooker Charcoal Grill offers an exceptional outdoor grilling experience, perfect for family gatherings or camping trips. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures it withstands high temperatures and resists corrosion, making it a long-lasting option for your grilling needs. With an intelligent design that features a unique ventilation system and adjustable grates, you can achieve even heat distribution and precise temperature control. The built-in temperature gauge allows you to effortlessly manage cooking temperatures, enhancing your culinary skills whether you're grilling, smoking, or baking.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.